You are going to love the 2015 Gran Turismo. The Maserati Gran Turismo is the first modern two-door, four-seater coupe that delivers much more than its sensual body initially suggests and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, electronic stability control, heated front seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.